Hey there! Again, as we head into the holiday season, you might need a little pocket to put a gift card into, something that looks a little bit like that. So let's head over here and I'll show you how to make this. It's really simple. Okay, let's get started. So all you're going to need to make a easy gift card pocket is you'll need some sort of patterned paper. You'll need a scoring board, which I have here on the floor. I figure you don't need to watch me score paper. Some scissors or an X-Acto knife, some dry line adhesive or glue of your choice, and a corner rounder. Obviously, if you have a scoring board, you're going to have a scoring tool as well. You can use one that came with the scoreboard if you have it. If you have a different tool for like a bone folder or the Teflon folder, use that. Whatever you want that works, just use it. So what you do to start with is you take a piece of patterned paper and you cut it to 6 inches by 3 3/8 inches. If you want to go to full 3.5, that's fine too. Then we're going to score it, and you score it 1/2 inch from this side, turn it around, score it again at 1/2 inch. Then from here you score it at 2.5. Now make sure, since we're going to fold this up like this, make sure that the pattern, when you score this line, is situated in such a way that the pattern will be facing the right direction. As you can see, I made a mistake here and it's upside down now. It's still usable. I don't know if anybody will even notice, but just, if your pattern is actually directional, make sure that you're looking. If it's not directional, who cares? So now all we do is we crease these lines along the score lines just to make sure that they are nice and creased. If you need to, you go over it like this. There we go. Now, from here you can use an X-Acto knife. I'm going to go ahead and use scissors just because, so you can see what that looks like. Now we're going to go on the inside of this score line on this long side here. And we're just going to cut very carefully up to this fold line. There you go. Then we'll do the same thing over here. Again, as you can see, I'm on the inside of the score line. And you want to stay inside the score line, because when you fold over the flaps that we're going to leave at the bottom of this piece of paper, if you'll see like score lines here, and you want to cut those off. Now from here, I'm going to go a little bit diagonally and then cut to where the that little slice is right there. Pull that off. And we'll do it over here too. And come in a little bit diagonally, like that. Okay, so we're almost finished here. Take your dry line adhesive. And where would we be without dry line adhesive in paper crafting, I ask you? Greatest invention known to man. Okay, fold this up like that. Fold this over like that. Fold that over like that. Now, we take our corner rounder like this. We click it. We go here. We click. Good. Click it again. There we go. Like that. Let me put this in one more time. There we go. That's looking better. Get rid of the excess, and you are done. You have a nice little pocket. Just to show you, we put the Starbucks card in like that. Fits perfectly, right? It's great. Now let me show you exactly what this is used for. So here's a card. It's a little slider card, double slider card that I made. When I pull down, you see where see? Right here is where I put that pocket. So anybody who gets this slider card for Christmas, there's going to be a gift card right there. Very useful. And if you're just doing regular cards, you can glue this into the inside of the card. You can use it in a pop-up. You can do whatever you want with it, but it's a very simple and easy pattern without having to get out dies, without having to get special equipment. It's very, very simple. So there we go. A quick gift card pocket for you to use this holiday season. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more crafting content like this. And I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.